Hola Scheme Sam. Welcome to South Africa's Tech News. Today we take a look at the SpoonTEK's electric spoon. A spoon for folks with tasting troubles. SpoonTEK excites the taste buds for enhanced flavor, heightened taste, and improved aftertaste. I personally do not find yogurt to have a sour, chalky aftertaste. But if you do, or if you are undergoing chemotherapy, or are undergoing some kind of treatment, or have a condition that affects your sense of taste, you might want to try SpoonTEK's electric spoon. How does SpoonTEK works? SpoonTEK uses an ion sensory technology, a first for eating utensils that combines electric stimulation and tongue sensory. SpoonTEK generates a mild electric current to stimulate the tongue and alter taste. You hold SpoonTEK normally, with your finger making contact with the electrode on the handle. Food makes contact with the electrode in the spoon bowl. Time to eat. An LED light on the handle will glow to indicate that the SpoonTEK system is working and delivering a mild electric current that passes through the food you are eating. You won't feel it, but your taste buds will, as your taste is enhanced instantaneously. SpoonTEK's design is sleek, lightweight, made with high-quality, food-safe materials, and simple and safe to use. The human tongue can process 5 flavors at once: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and savory. The taste receptors within the taste buds activate while eating, so the senses take over. Ultimately, the brain determines the final perception of flavor and taste. Human perception of taste is largely influenced by other sensory systems, past experiences, and our hunger for food. SpoonTEK is the world's first commercial eating utensil with built-in electronics to enhance flavor and neutralize aftertaste. Will you try the SpoonTEK for new taste experiences? Please let us know in the comments section below. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more electronics news.